Bomb explodes at a cement shop in Kwakitel early this morning. No casualty reported, but the shop got damaged. Southeast Asia Cultural Organization observes 4th Observation Day of Cultural Revivalist at Lamyanba Shanglen Palace Compound. Directorate of Handlooms and Textiles premieres first ever documentary film on state handlooms entitled Tara Iyong Looms and Life. Imphal Angels will kick off Manipur Angel Investor event with an aim to facilitate aspiring entrepreneurs on November 18. And the third two-day Quata Festival kicks off with much fanfare at Quata Kunjau in Technopal district. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Usham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. A bomb exploded at a shop dealing in construction items like iron rods and cement located near Kwakitel Tidim ground under Singjamai police station in Imphal West district early this morning around 4:35. There is no casualty. However, shutter and glass doors of the shop named LYS Sales Private Limited were totally shattered by the explosion. No one has claimed responsibility for planting the bomb so far. Southeast Asia Cultural Organization (SIACO) has observed the 4th Observation Day of Cultural Revivalist at Lamyanba Shanglen Palace Compound today. It may be mentioned that SIACO has been observing the day since 2015 to commemorate the numerous lives lost in the hands of the king and Brahma Sabha of the era while trying to revive Sanamahi religion. Floral tributes were paid at the portraits of the brave ancestors during the event. Speaking on the occasion, CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham stated that present generation must not ignore the past history of Manipur but take every incident of the past, whether good or bad, as a lesson. Stating that forefathers sacrificed their lives for their faith in Deedan non-secular regime, Karam Sham maintains that it is high time to introspect why the present generation in a secular environment is unable to faithfully follow their respective religions. He called on to inculcate the beliefs of the forefathers to unite different communities distanced by various faiths. The minister asserted that one should not forget one's culture and traditions in the wake of development. He urged every parent to educate their children on one's culture and traditions. Former MLA of Patsoi constituency S. Kunjikeshwar, President of Editors Guild Manipur, Sangai Express Editor Kogendra Komdram and Chief Editor of Kangla Pao, Pukrambam Ibocho also attended the event.
इतिहास हाइबसे अखोइना लान लौब यादि पृथ्वीगी मागी लैपाकी नत्रगा स्टेट की इतिहास सिंगसे लोइनबक लैब ngaktani इतिहास तदि अका अकुम लै अदुना अखोइना मदु फै नत्रगा फत्ति हाइबगी महूर्त हौख्रब इतिहास की थौदो वाथोक सिंगसिदगी अखोइना लेसन अमा तंब para अमा तंब ngasi थौदोक सिदा अखोइना तमनिंगाई वेरिसि करिनो aina khanjabada matamduda atukkanba sairak leina aikhoigi panat ipunat ki dharma singse hinganna bahonarame adu ngasi de democracy satpu leibak oire kanamatana mana pamba dharma si satpada kanadana su athingba pidre adu matamduda thingba leibagi awaba leigragasu ngasi di dharma dubu akhoi sumba matam sida akhoina khumang sauksinna yangsinna Sasalan Mangamdrise, Karigino, I say, Koi Masomda, Yam modern theory, a Koi Anova, Wakalon Puto, Naina, but Dakar Lave.
Kangleipa Kanbam Lup, Manipur in a press release condemned Speaker Kem Chan for asking whether Manipuri Ras Lila belongs to non-Manipuris. The press release also said the loop is against construction of a Ras Leela hall inside Kangla complex but has never renounced Ras Leela as not belonging to Manipur. A documentary film entitled Chara Yong, Looms and Life, produced by the Directorate of Handlooms and Textiles with an aim to promote state handlooms, was premiered at City Convention Center, Palace Compound today. Handlooms and Textiles Director K. Lamli Kamai, Film Director Ningthauja Lancha, Film Scriptwriter Matua Bahadur, eminent filmmakers, artists and many people attended the show. Speaking in the event, Director K. Lamli Kamai said, despite the state occupying a significant place in the field of handlooms, there is not a single relevant documentary film until now. He said, the main aim of producing the film is to give an account of handlooms and lifestyle of artisans of Manipur so that the present as well as the future generations can visualize the same. He also assured that the film has carved a significant milestone in the history for craftspersons of the state and is a legacy for the future generations. Speaking to media, Ningthauja Lancha stated that the film, which is a little over 1 hour, is a non-narrative and experimental musical film. The film tries to show the handloom culture prevalent in olden times Manipur. It may be mentioned that the documentary film is based on Pantho Mongol Ken Jong Lang, sung by Aribam Tombisana, and lyrics written by B. Jenta Kumar.
Ishagi lam se sida leiriba akoina documentary film amakak helum gi lamda sumain tawi pisalam sa sumai horok pani sumaina sai akoi gi sakcha pije sumain tawi haibasi film kayum khak ulagadi masina lam se leijariba loina maki wari si pungkhai ma natraga pung ani lijar roga su film si makaktana ulu matam yeng matam da Manipur se sumain tawbore haibasi madugi pandam adu makoi gi mamang da thamba yana ba hadana akoi su madugi pandam amagi da semga charakpani
Koinong mata janabi tarin sinai pamlaga liri wari pem chagi tamli mapuman jagi lamgi koin lai pamban samjiri tamna pairakani lamgi koin lai pamban samjiri tamna pairakani pangande jabu sari sarai kijin
Youth Foundation for Fitness and Service Manipur and District Legal Service Authority Imphal jointly organized a one-day legal awareness and literacy program today. Resource persons stressed on various topics during the program held at Flyo Club in Thangwaiban Hijam Diwan Lekai. Students and youths attended the event.
ngasi ekoi Manipur ge myam sida kwa mana myam thajalakpa kwa thajalakpa hidak mana ge bajara gi item sing myam thajalakanda masinam ekoi ge leire bijari economy myam se ekoi iramdam se lejaga da senthumi phim harka da myam se mapalam da chatkiba asigu myam si chu kharadi kalhauda ba yade haibe wakhalol adomda sinjara kan ngasi thorom se ekoi pangthok sari.
A team of Thobal Commando arrested a vehicle thief at Ushoy Pokpi auto parking area today. The arrested person is identified as Muhammad Ayub Khan alias Mani, 25 years, son of Muhammad Abdul Zalil from Hyangthang Tarahai, Konjin. A stolen 3G Activa was also recovered from the miscreant. He has been handed over to the relevant police station for further investigations. People using modified silencer pipes were apprehended and fined in Kakching district. Kakching district police led by SP Yengkhom Victoria produced the apprehended bikes before media today. Speaking to media, additional SP of Law and Order Kakching district Thingnam Deshwarjit intimated that 10 bikes were booked under Motor Vehicle Act 1988 so far for causing noise pollution, and the owners were fined 1,000 rupees each. He also stated that further drives will be conducted to apprehend bikes with modified silencer pipes.
Modified tawraga silencer sing asi sizinaba matamda public ta yamna inconvenience thui masina maram oidana khoi samaj sida yamna nungai tawa habidi yamna nungai na gari thawraga chatkadawa kano to public ta nuisance thohalabanina masagi oina budi nungai jaramba yai tawbadabu khoi logi matung ina di indian logi matung ina di masi achobo violator oibanina masi khoi kaksing district police na tolerate tawjaroi
Tera Lokrakpam Lekai Amudon Akam Lekai Apunba Mairapaibi Loop has condemned a fraudulent withdrawal of 33,30,000 rupees using bogus checks from the account of Narengbam Tilotama, wife of Narengbam Samarjit, chairman of Salai Holdings Private Limited. Speaking to media at Nainashang Community Hall today, treasurer of Tera Lokrakpam Lekai Loop, Haubam Premabati warned of intense agitations if the amount is not credited by Bank of Baroda within November 8. She maintained that the incident has created apprehensions among the people amidst the recent case of fraudulent withdrawal of 1 crore rupees of Manipur University from the same bank. Premabati stated that such incidents take away trust people have in banks. She urged the government to investigate the matter at the earliest and demanded Bank of Baroda to clarify and give assurances to never let such things happen again in future. It may be mentioned that 18 lakh rupees and 15.3 lakh rupees were withdrawn on October 10 and October 30 respectively from an account of Tilotama opened at Bank of Baroda branch Changangay, and the incident came to light when the third bogus check was submitted.
Bank of Baroda ngasagi smaina sasanaba checkta moina kaihankiba singse kaithungiba singse makoi compulsory akoi account sida athuba matam hapjanbiro date 8 phaugi manungda aina mamang su panjagi duni sigi matam se su hapjanbiro loinana karo 10 se khoi haijage masi compensation noina pibiyo ba ta aduna tataragadi akoi makhan makha ayambagi khongjangche Bank of Baroda gi mathakta akoi changchangani.
Northeast India's first private angel network, Imphal Angels, will be organizing Manipur Angel Investor event with an aim to facilitate aspiring entrepreneurs in Northeast India, including Manipur, on November 18. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, member of the governing body of Imphal Angels, Fisher Laishram, stated that private angel network is operative not only in India but also in various parts of the world. He added, Imphal Angels was set up with an aim to facilitate unemployed, educated youth of the state with startups and entrepreneurship activities. He maintained that Imphal Angels will provide platform and financial assistance for business to interested youths. Fisher also said that resource persons from various companies of Japan and India will give in-depth discourse on business startups and entrepreneurship to aspiring entrepreneurs of the state during the event.
मोगी पछादुना इन्वेस्ट तौर लोय हाबना तमिना अखोइना इन्वेस्ट तौर पछादुगा अखोइ मेंटरशिप अखोइ नेटवर्क त लैबा अखोइ इसामसु एक्सपेरियंस खर लैबदो अखोइना अमदो शेयर तौरनी अदुना ट्रगसु मपानदगी स्टार्टअप की मरमदे हम खंगबा मयाम लैरी मोइ मयाम ते तौरगा अखोइना मेंटर तौरगा अचौबा स्टार्टअप अम ओहनबई जर्नी हान इवेंट जे अखोइ ऑब्जेक्टिव से कैना कांदा मणिपुर एंजल इन्वेस्टिंग से क्याम कानगे एंजल इन्वेस्टिंग से कमाइन तौदिनो सिगी रिटर्न न कैनो सिगी रिस्क कैनो हाइदि अदुगी ओइबा डिटेल्स मयाम दुमा सिगी इवेंट सिदा अखोइना ताक्सनी हाइता अदुना सिदा लाकदुसे जापानीज वेंचर कैपिटल फर्म स्पाइरल वेंचर आइना मोइ इंडिया दगा स्टार्ट तौबा मोइ अखोइना कौजरी से मोइ अटेंड तौगनी योर स्टोरी इंडिया की लीडिंग ओइबा एंटरप्रेन्योर और स्टार्टअप कवर तौबा मीडिया ने मोइनसु अखोइ इवेंट इंटायर इवेंट से कवर तौनी को.
Joint Coordinating Committee of the Engineering Department in a press release has appealed to give allowances till the month of October for work charge, casual and master role employees of the department in view of Ningol Chakoba. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the 2 days Quata Fest that began today. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. The third 2-day Quata Festival began at Quata Khunjau in Technopole district today. Various stalls selling bamboo shoots and citric macroptera heribob are opened at the festival venue under the supervision of Roots for Freedom Quata Youth Club. Speaking at the launch of the festival, former Icham President N. Rajendra lamented that the previous government during its 15 years regime fails to undertake any measures for the welfare of the people of Quata village. He scorns that their irresponsible attitude for the for the decrease in bamboo variant used in the production of bamboo shoots. He opined that the 2,000-year-old indigenous bamboo shoots of the state would have been famous in the international market if Didan government took appropriate initiatives. Rajendra further stressed the need to promote every variant of bamboo shoot, Hairibob and other forest reserves. SP Tecnopol District Dr. S. D. Bomcha, Additional SP Moray K. Robinson, Tecnopol District police officers and members of various civil society organizations attended the event. Traditional music, cultural dance and thangta performances were the main highlights of the inaugural event today. Mass power blackout in Karembikog in Wangjing Tentha of Taubal district has gravely inconvenienced the residents. The transformer in Karembikog Mayai Lekai ceased to function on October 23 and MSPDCL staffs retrieved the transformer after 3 days. The power blackout has rendered the furniture workers and every other workers in the area helpless as they usually earn efficiently during Ningol Sakoba festival. The residents has appealed to MSPDCL and relevant authorities to resolve the matter before Ningol Chakoba. The Directorate of Trade, Commerce and Industries in a press release informed that the last date to apply for stalls in the upcoming Sangai Festival 2018 has been extended till November 5. Stall fees may be deposited during banking hours from November 8 to 14. A book entitled Transforming Leadership, Social and Environmental Justice in Global, co-authored by T.H. Asha Sinha and W. Mema, was released today. The book is a compilation of selected papers from the International Conference on the theme Transforming Leadership, Social and Environmental Justice in Global, held at GP Women College from April 6 to 9 this year. Director of the Department of University and Higher Education, Government of Manipur, W. Malingamba Chenglei, released the book in the event organized by Commonwealth Council for Educational Administrations and Management Government Chapter, GP Women's College and Dhanamanjuri University at GP College, All Lambuland, in the presence of the Chief Patron of the International Conference, Dr. B. Lal Hari. Speaking in the event, Assistant Professor of the Economics Department, Manipur University, Dr. Chinglen Maishnam stated that Manipur, though economically backward, has rich human capital. He stressed the need to focus and train the human resources of the state, especially the working age group, by providing them with proper education in order to achieve Sustainable Developmental Goals 2030. He called for empowering the youth and women section of the state. Dr. Chinglen Maishnam also disclosed that Manipur University is almost ready to release a Sustainable Developmental Goal agenda after thorough discussions on various aspects of the state. He firmly believed that the book released today will be highly beneficial not only for Manipur but for the entire North-East states and the country as a whole.
Sustainable Development Goals in 2030 foki malem gi oina magi development trajectory se somda changu haibagi adugi yamna kanba kogi policy program yam lokhonarakpa Manipur da sumalugi kogi lamber du da tangthalaktuna hojik Sustainable Development Goal 2030 sa Manipur sumai pangna masi pangthona bai damta kogi planning department Manipur government na koi Manipur University da su koi Sustainable Development Goal gi matang da 2030 foki oina Manipur education gi lamda oheningi ba the employment ki lamda the inharol sabak pi bagi matang da the poverty ko bagi hunger ko bagi haksel gi matang da masi ohum mayam se pinana bagi madugi kogi policy program do sinana ba sinara pagal loina koi madugi preparation do almost lore lakadaba Kharasing Manungda Sushwedana Manipur 2030 Sustainable Development Goal Agenda Sushwedana Putorani.
The Directorate of OBC and SC in a press release has notified that online scholarship application for OBC pre-metric and OBC post-metric, SC pre-metric, SC post-metric and EBC post-metric will be extended till November 30. Zonal Education Officer of Zone 4, Nepram Tikendrajit, has inaugurated an Atal Tinkering Laboratory sponsored by Niti Aayog at Ningthaukhong Public School in Bishnupur district today. Speaking to media, Nepram Tikendrajit asserted that the laboratory will help the students of the school in various ways. It may be mentioned that 7 schools of the state are amongst the 100 schools selected by Atal Tinkering Laboratory under Niti Aayog. Atal Tinkering Labs are dedicated workspaces where students from class 6 to 12 learn innovation skills and develop ideas that will go on to transform India. The labs are powered to acquaint students with state-of-art equipment such as 3D printers, robotics and electronics development tools, LOT and sensors, etc. The labs will let students explore skills of future such as design and computational thinking, adaptive learning and artificial intelligence. Chief Minister Nongthongman Biren, in a press release, extended his appreciation and heartiest congratulations to Unique Model Academy Hengang on bagging the championship title of the 52nd Subroto Mukherjee Cup Under-14 Championship held in New Delhi after thrashing NCC Odisha 2-0 yesterday. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Bomb explodes at a cement shop in Kwakaitil early this morning. No casualty reported, but explosion damages the shop. Southeast Asia Cultural Organization observes 4th Observation Day of Cultural Revivalists at Lamyanba Shanglen Palace Compound. Directorate of Handlooms and Textiles premieres the first ever documentary film on state handlooms entitled Chara Iyong Looms in Life. Imphal Angels ready to kick off Manipur Angel Investor event with an aim to facilitate aspiring entrepreneurs on November 18. And the third 2-day Quata Festival kicks off with much fanfare at Quata Kunjao in Tenmukpal district.